Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 34,973 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed the new front tire, and the rear is at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the bike leans more than usual on the center stand. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion on the bag guard, a paint chip on the rear fender, a blemish on the plastic on the right saddlebag, and scratches on the saddlebag. This bike has one fob and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, an electronic windshield, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with an Indian 2-up seat, an aftermarket exhaust, raised handlebars, grips, levers, tinted windshield, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, spoked front wheel, saddlebag lid speakers, saddlebag guards, and an engine guard. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.